You are shadow banned. I know you are actually shadow banned. That is why you click on this video. I'm also shadow banned. Why do I really think that I should talk about this shadow ban of a thing? Because this shadow ban happens to small creators. Small YouTubers like us face these challenges of shadow ban. Now, how can we tackle this? How can you know that you are shadow banned? And what can you do after you find out that you are shadow banned? This is what I want to talk in this video right now. Now, first of all, let's start with why are you shadow banned? A lot of people used to get shadow banned because they upload video daily, anyhow. They upload videos every time, today, tomorrow, and it's not that it's short. If it's YouTube short, that one is understandable, but you're uploading a long form video every single day, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes. As a small creator, you don't need to be uploading like that. You need to upload smartly, not just with your hard work. Hard work doesn't pay. It's smart work that pays. Secondly, what you should stop doing again is anytime you post a video, stop disturbing your channel dashboard or analytics all the time. Let me go and refresh. Let me go and refresh. How many views have I got? How many watch time? Guy, you're going to be tired. You must face all those disappointment challenges because you are a new creator. You yourself, you know that you are a new creator. So why are you stressing yourself doing all those things? You didn't actually supposed to be doing that because even when you were small, you grow gradually, gradually. So grow is a process. It's not something that just happens just all of a sudden. It happens over time. You need to grow step by step. Now that you know that these are some of the things that used to cause this shadow ban of a thing, now how can you prevent yourself from being shadow banned? That is why I said if you want to prevent yourself by this now, that is where smartly comes in. You need to start creating or posting content smartly. Whenever you post, give you some time for you to process that video and now come back to your channel. What is like, how did my video perform? What are the differences? Like, is there any challenges? Is there anything I need to change? Then you start monitoring yourself. It's just like you are growing, like you are building a community. You start monitoring yourself and make some changes. You can ask some questions again to your audience in most of your videos, like how do you look at, like, does my setup is okay for you, like this and this, you understand? So those kind of things would make you to have a very strong community, and you will understand and you will even know better. Like anybody that see your content will know that yes, this person knows definitely what he's doing. Thirdly, most people doesn't create YouTube thumbnails. Like you just create a video and just post it just like that, no thumbnails. And if you don't have thumbnails on YouTube, or more, you are going to suffer it a lot. And again, some people download somebody else thumbnail and use it for their videos because you see those videos have 10 million views. You go and download their thumbnail or screenshot it and post it. It won't work. Oh. Create your own thumbnail, unique. You are building a community. Don't fake anything. You understand? What I want you guys to do right now is I want us to support each other. If you're actually watching this video right now, I want you guys to do me a favor and give me a subscribe to this channel. Like this video and comment. Let's grow together in the comment section, and I'm going to subscribe to your channel as well so that we should hit our goal in short time. So if you really want to be part of this journey, just drop that comment. As I say, let's grow together. This is just an explanatory video. I'm going to drop a full detailed video of shadow ban of a thing and how to prevent yourself. Everything would be showing proof with evidence, or let me say screen record, you understand, or screenshot. Now this one is just my advice to everyone that is shadow ban, and if you want to prevent yourself from being shadow ban like me, because I am also shadow ban, you understand. But after posting this video, I'm very sure that I will no longer be shadow banned anymore. This is AI Creators Today, where we create and get paid. Like, I don't understand. Why am I even saying get paid? I'm not yet monetized. Anyway, I have the faith and believe that one day it shall come. Now, thank you guys for watching. See you guys next time. Peace out. Bye.